Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. On this video I'll be showing you guys how to fund your Algorand wallet via your bank account by buying through P2P or using KuCoin exchange wallet. So let's start with Binance. Here, let's my Binance account. Yeah, this is it. This is my Binance account. The first thing you need to do is you come to Binance account. Once you come to Binance account, you go to P2P. That's where you trade on P2P. That's if you don't have Algorand on your wallet. So for you to fund the Algorand wallet without you having Algorand or your Binance account or your KuCoin or your Algorand wallet, and you want to fund your Algorand wallet, the first thing you need to do is you need to go and get a USDT from Binance P2P, so that you can once you fund USDT, that's when you can now swap into Algorand. But first, you can see here on the screen, you can see P2P trading. So if you can't see this on your screen, I can show you other ways of getting to P2P. Just go to funding. Once you go to funding, you can see this is funding right here. It's on the top of the screen here. Oh, sorry, what am I drawing? This is it. That's funding. After clicking on funding, you see all these options. Next thing you need to do is just go for P2P. Click on P2P to take you straight up to P2P. You can see the current rate of USD. Oh my god, you can see the current rate of USDT as it keeps flying. Naira keeps losing value. So that aside, here you come here. This is where you buy. You can see there are two options here. We have the buy, then we have the sell. So this is where you buy, and for those who want to sell, this is where they sell, and this is where you change your currency. You are using NGN, Nigerian Naira. So since you are buying with Naira, that's what you do. But I won't be dipping much on P2P. That's where you buy and sell. For those who don't understand how P2P works, check the video description section. You will see I'll drop a link of how to trade on how to use Binance P2P. So that's that for those who don't understand how P2P works. I'll drop the video in the video description section so you can watch that. So, and for those who have already watched the video or those who already know how P2P works, the next thing you should be doing is to go to trades in your wallet. If you have USDT already, if you have USDT in your wallet, you click on trades here in circle. Then you go for Algorand. You are trading Algorand. If it's USDT you have, if it's BNB you want to use to buy, if it's BUSD, you pick the one you have in your wallet to use to swap. I mostly trade with BUSD. Algorand, for example, though I don't have anything in this wallet. I don't have a dime. I only have money in the DeFi wallet, and the money is just for gas fee actually. So I would have loved to do a physical example for you to see how it actually works, but this I believe you still understand though, so don't worry. This is how it works. All you need to do is just buy the Algorand. Limits means you want to set when it gets to so level, that's when you want to buy it. But when you use market, it means you are using the current price right here. And since you're just buying to go and fund your wallet, I would just advise you to just use the current market price, which is this market. Then put the amount you want to buy. If you are buying with 50% of your wallet, 25, 75 or 100, and if you think you just want to put the amount yourself, you can just put the amount of BUSD you want to use manually here. So it's up to you. So once you do that, it will swap. Then it means you now have algo in your wallet. So the next thing you need to do is when you need to move the algo from your wallet to your Algorand wallet. from your Binance to your Algorand wallet. All you need to do is when you come back, no, you're not going to funding. Now it will be in your spot wallet. You traded it on spot. So now you can see I'm a broker, so I don't even have money in my wallet. I only have $2. So just my NFT that I converted into Mobox NFT. If you have Mobox NFT, you can go and try. You can get either it's raffle draw. You can get either 2 Mobox or 1 BNB. If you are lucky, you get 1 BNB. I have a video on that as well. I'll drop it in the video description section. So not diverting. So now what you need to do is your algo would have been showing here. After converting, to be showing around here. It depends on whatever the biggest asset you have in your wallet is what will come first. So wherever the algo is, you usually see it on this list. You usually see it on this list here. So all you need to do is click withdraw. This is withdraw here, as you can see. Click withdraw. Then you type algo. If you can't see it on the list, you can just type the algo. It will come up. It will ask you if you want to send via crypto network or email. Email ID is actually for Binance users. If you are sending from your account to another Binance user's account, you can use email. It costs you 0 fee. 0. Absolutely 0. And it is instant. Within 2 seconds, it would have dropped. So now you're using sending via crypto. Send via crypto. Then you go. Now the first thing you need to do is you need the address of the recipient. That's your Algorand wallet. As I always said, I use my Algo wallet, which is the web wallet. So what you need to do is you just copy. You go to, because I believe it's faster. That's why I prefer to use it. So now I enter my password. After entering your password, this is what you do. You click on receive. And click on receive. This is your wallet address here. Click on these small objects. It will automatically copy for you. Just click on it and see. Copied. You can see. Then now you can go back to your Binance. Paste your wallet address here. Once you paste your wallet address here, the amount of algo you are sending, if you are sending everything, just don't stress yourself by typing the figure. Just click on max. But if you want to type it manually, you can type the amount of algo you are spending. Then if it is in your funding wallet or spot, you select whichever wallet it is. If it is spot, you select spot. If it is funding, you select only funding. So you just know where your algo is. So once you do that, this place will be highlighted. If you have enough algo, this place will be highlighted. It's because I have 0 algo, that's why it's not showing. You just click withdrawal. Then it will ask you to input your 2-factor authentications that you've activated. Maybe you use text message, email, and Google Authenticator, depending, or maybe you use only text. It will work, but please, I would advise you to always use 2-factor authenticator for security reasons. So once you do that, you will definitely receive your algo at most 1 minute. Your algo should have dropped in your wallet. Once you come to this wallet, come here. If you don't see it, just refresh the page. And I will advise you, when using my Algo wallet, always make sure you use Chrome browser. Chrome saves the memory better than Kiwi or any other one. Kiwi, when I was using Kiwi earlier, it kept crashing, so I couldn't really use it well. So every time I have to start installing back my wallet, start putting my phrase every now and then. So it's so stressful. So I had to switch to Chrome, and since then I've been enjoying Chrome actually. So that's how to go about funding your wallet on Algorand blockchain. So I hope this video helps. And also I will advise you to always have Algorand in your KuCoin wallet, because on KuCoin the gas fee is less. And also there are times that when a lot of people are withdrawing Algorand, maybe they have one project that is running very, very well on Algorand blockchain, you notice that a lot of people are withdrawing algo on Binance, and Binance will just decide to just suspend withdrawal, because they might just feel maybe people are withdrawing because there is some kind of something unusual that is going on. They might suspect maybe there is fraud or something going on. So the first point of thing, the first step they take, security measure they take, is to suspend withdrawal. Then they try to check why are people withdrawing their funds from the wallet. So in that case, for you not to totally miss out what you wanted buying and just have your funds stocked inside Binance app, always make sure you have backup funds in your KuCoin wallet. Though I don't have KuCoin on this phone, my KuCoin is not on this phone, but for those who have KuCoin, you know, the same way we just did on Binance, that's exactly the same way KuCoin is as well. You can do withdrawal, you can do deposit, you can do, it's an exchange too, it's a centralized exchange too, just like Binance. So the same way we did on Binance, just go and do the same thing on KuCoin. You are fine, and the fee is even always lesser on KuCoin. Most times fees are always lesser on KuCoin. So I hope this video helps a lot, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're a new viewer, and also don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and family, loved ones, and everybody. So thank you very much for always watching my videos, and don't forget to join my Telegram handle, because I always drop lots of updates. Those who joined earlier, they can give you testimony of what they've achieved. For those who have been taking my calls, and also who have been also following up with my Twitter handle, they know a lot of even what I dropped earlier, which was the most recent update I dropped, which was Moist. At least it has gone from a market cap of around 3,000 or thereabout to over $70,000. That's not a little pump. That's a crazy one. So you can follow me up as well. I will drop all my Telegram. I'll drop the Telegram link, the Twitter handle, and other things for you in the video description section. You can join the Twitter handle, you can join the Telegram group as well. So see you guys in the moon. Take care, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.